Hiya! So I'm just going to do a quick video, just a very basic bath bomb recipe, and it's my go-to if I've had a few failed batches, just take things right back to basics again. So I've got 500 of bicarb, Sieve, any lumps you get, don't force them through, just bin it. That's 250 of citric acid. So that's just waste. Let's grab some SLSa. Roughly that's about 10 or 15 grams of SLSa. And this one is a orange, it's a new orange I've got. Not released yet. I've not got my precision scales with me, so I'm just going to use a bit of lolly stick. Add a bit more, or whatever. I've got some kind of knife here too. So what I do is just loosely mix it in. Just to get the water soluble dye mixed in a little bit. So it's always good to go back to basics, because if you start off with a recipe that's got 20 ingredients in it and you've got a problem with one of those ingredients, it's going to take you forever to figure out what it is you've got a problem with. So this one, just citric acid, bicarb, colour, fragrance, SLSa, pretty basic. If you make that and it goes well, you can add some clay or you can add some oils or anything else really. So I wouldn't put fragrance in yet because they're water soluble dyes. You really need to pop that colour first. I don't add routinely any water at all to start with. I just add it with a spray bottle. My spray bottle's a bit broken. It might look like I have to do a lot of sprays. It's not, it's because I have to do 10 sprays to probably get 2 sprays worth. So I just kind of spray it and mix it as I do so it doesn't activate. So I'm just getting that colour to come out really. You probably won't need as many sprays as that. Like I said, my bottle's a bit dodgy. So I don't do blooming. Well, I kind of guess it is a bit like blooming. So what I'm going to do is just add water until it's nearly wet enough. And then I make the difference up with fragrance oil. But you just need that colour to pop first. Can you see that curve there? Kind of. So to check it's all mixed in properly, I'd hold it, slide it apart, and if you see colour or streaks, it's not mixed in enough yet. You can see there's streaks there, it means it's not mixed in properly. Just give me a mo. Just sort of makes it like mixing breadcrumbs really. Wait till you add some more colour. Quite pale looking at the moment, I don't know, put a tiny bit in. It's nearly there, so I'll add some fragrance oil. These are just little testers for me, so I'll just put 6 mils in. For accuracy, you want weight really, although if using the same oil, mils doesn't matter. This is like a non-assessed recipe, it's just a nice little basic one I've got. feels like it needs a tiny little bit more water, just mix it a bit longer before you add water. It might not need any more. Yeah, so the test it's ready. Make a clump, it stays together. So what I then do, just really break it up so it's not all clumpy. So that's the mould that we call spring. With the mould like this, I'll just put a sprinkle in. Can you see over here? Don't have to ram it in, just poke it down a little bit. Fill it up. And we're gonna space. You can see over here. Yeah. So these moulds, you just tap it out. Quite messy. Because we're not ramming it in the mould as well, this should float. To make it nice and smooth at the back. Bounced a bit. It's gone like a coral colour. This one can go really bright. See how my mix feels like it's starting to dry up a little bit? I'll just keep going until I can't mix any more with it. And then maybe wet it again. But these will just come out nice and easy. That snowberry fragrance is getting right to the back of my throat. Got one here that's starting to crack. That's, where is it? This one I didn't smooth off properly at the back. And where are we? See here, these tiny little specks. That's where it's not mixed in properly. And there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bath bombs, start to finish in less than 8 minutes. Good luck.